Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the page background in Wix. This is a fantastic way to personalize your website and make it stand out, whether you want a solid color, an eye-catching image, or even a dynamic video background. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From here, click on Website. This will take you to the section where all your sites are managed. Now you'll see a list of all the websites you have on your Wix account. Take a moment to look through them and find the website you wish to change the background for. If you have multiple sites, make sure you're selecting the right one so you don't accidentally edit the wrong project. Once you've found the correct website, locate the Edit Site button. You'll typically find this on the top part of your screen, usually right beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway to making changes and customizations to your site's design. After clicking Edit Site, you'll be directed to the Wix Harmony Editor screen. This is where all the magic happens. From here, locate the specific section on your page where you want to change the background and click on it. It could be the header, a section in the middle of the page, or any other area you want to customize. Clicking on that section will allow you to access its settings. Now you'll see the customization menu appear at the top of your screen. This menu gives you quick access to various design options for the selected section. From here, look for an option named Replace Background and click on it. This is the tool that will let you swap out the current background for something new. A background customization window will now appear, giving you 3 distinct options to choose from. You can select either color, images, or video background, depending on the look and feel you're going for. Each option offers a different way to make your site visually appealing. If you choose the color option, you'll be able to pick between a brand color, which aligns with your site's existing color scheme, or a custom color, where you can select any shade you like. On the other hand, if you go with the image or video option, you'll have the ability to upload the media you wish to use. This is perfect if you have a specific photo or video clip that represents your brand or message. And that's it. You've successfully changed the page background in Wix, giving your website a fresh, personalized look that better reflects your style or brand. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.